What's up, guys? My name is Brianna and welcome to my home. So when you walk into the house, we have a split entry, and the first thing you see when you walk upstairs is this. We bought this house in April of 2019 and we completely renovated this entire floor, and we still have 2 other floors that we eventually will finish, but this is our focus for now. Right now, I'm only going to show you kind of the main living areas and maybe the guest bathroom, just because there's still quite a few things that we're doing in the bedrooms and the office and the master bath, but this will give you a good idea of what we've accomplished so far and what is to come. So first, I'm gonna show you the kitchen. This I'll put before and afters of each room that I show you today at the end of this video, because I do have pictures from the very first time we looked at this house. This kitchen was dark. It was dark walnut cabinetry. The floors were stained like a really, really deep red, when in actuality, the wood itself was this color. It's a mahogany floor. So we just sanded it and clear coated it. We then saved the framework of the cabinets, and I cleaned and cleaned and cleaned. This place was a foreclosure, so you'll see from the pictures it was kind of gross. But we ended up repainting, adding new doors, and then we added the soffits to make it look like the cabinets go to the ceiling. We also replaced 2 of the cabinets because they were the wrong size, and then we replaced the countertop. So full kitchen makeover. We got all new appliances. We did add the built-in trash right here. And then I ordered the all black matte poles. Say hi to Penny and Paulo. So I wanted to go with a really neutral color palette, just because my vibe is the modern farmhouse vibe, and I also know that black and white never really go out of style, and I wanted this kitchen to last a long time without me looking at it wanting to change it, so fingers crossed. So on the other half of the kitchen, we have the fridge, a pantry, and then this actually was our island in our kitchen in our first apartment. It has traveled with us to 3 different homes, and we ended up repurposing it and using it as a bar. I really wanted a specific place to kind of have to entertain when people come over, and then I also felt like I needed something to fill up this big empty wall without impeding too much on the rest of the kitchen as far as walking space. So this worked perfectly right here. And this actually was a Wayfair item. If you guys have any questions as far as where I purchased anything for this house, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll try to leave links to as many things as I can find that are still available, but I will tell you a lot of it was from Wayfair. Welcome to my I don't know what it is room. So on the other side of the wall with the bar in the kitchen, we have, I suppose, what was considered to be a second living or a formal dining room, but we don't use it as either of those. Eventually, this room will probably become our bedroom, and then the master suite, which is in there, will become a huge walk-in closet, and we're gonna make the bathroom bigger. But for right now, this is just kind of like the dog room and a little sitting room. So we've got the fish tank, the dog crates for if we ever need to put them in there while we're not home, or sometimes he'll just sleep in his throughout the day because he likes it. Storage closet with cleaning supplies, dog stuff, and that's about it besides a little corner to sit in. No one ever uses that chair though, but this is my probably most discombobulated room, but someday it's going to be the master bedroom. So back into the main living area, we have our Eden kitchen dining room. Right now, we actually have a hand-me-down table that we painted white and refinished. And then eventually we're going to get maybe a round table for here. I like the big round farmhouse tables, and this room I think would be awkward with a big rectangular table, because then we would go into the archway here. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. But this is pretty much it for this room. It's just the dining area, except we do have our coffee bar over here. Highly recommend having one of those. Again, pretty much everything was from Wayfair. The chandelier was from Wayfair. Actually, my bar stools were from Wayfair. And then we decided to do shiplap on this side of the peninsula. So that way we wouldn't have to see the back of the cabinets. And we also wouldn't have to worry about if people are sitting here, their feet scuffing the back of the cabinets. So little trick if you like the farmhouse style, that has worked out really well. I'm not down there scrubbing it every 3 days. So through the slider, we have the back deck. Right now we kind of have a makeshift setup. We took one of our tents that we had with the screen and we did a nice little deck top fire pit with our patio furniture, and then of course the grill for when we barbecue. Backyard is still a work in progress, but we'll get there. And now we have the living room. So there's a couple things I still want to do in here. I hate this rug, but eventually we're going to put a big sectional and probably close off this wall and mount a TV here, and then we'll have a hallway entrance near the entrance to the house to access these rooms instead. So then we'll actually have full use of the room. But for right now, there's a good amount of natural light in here and it's a really good size room. So even the dogs have a place, their own spot in the room. But a lot of this furniture was actually handed down to me, which was super nice. We didn't have to buy a bunch of new furniture, but I will be redoing this room fairly soon, so stay tuned for that. So right off the living room, we have this little hallway. Over here is the guest bedroom, and right here is my office, which we put the sliding barn door on, and I love it. We also have the doggy gate, so they don't get in on their own. But I will show you these two rooms in the next video because we're still doing some work in them. But I will show you the guest bathroom. So we have two full bathrooms in this house. One is in the master suite, and then there's this one right next to the guest bathroom and off the living room. So again, I went with the black and white, but a little bit more natural tone rustic in here. This actually came with silver knobs, but I had some extras from the kitchen and they fit perfectly, so we just repurposed those. Again, I believe my towel holder was from Wayfair. The faucet, the light, and the mirror are all from Lowe's. And yeah, this is the guest bath. So that is it for the first part of my almost finished renovated house tour. Next time I'll show you the bedrooms, the office, the full master suite, things like that. But for right now, we're still doing a little bit of work on them, so I want to hold off. And then of course, I'll show you guys as we finish the downstairs, the upstairs, and as I kind of keep redecorating these rooms and get them where I really want them. Here's the before and after photos, so you can see what the house looked like before. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to know when I post new videos, and I will see you guys next time.